In this question, Dale is taking a maths exam and an English exam. The probability of him passing or failing an exam is 100%. One of those things is definitely going to happen. 100% is one whole one. So the probability of passing an exam added to the probability of failing an exam must equal 1. So we're told that the probability of passing maths is 0.8. So not passing maths, we simply take the number 1 and subtract 0.8, and that gives us 0.2. Part B wants us to complete the tree diagram. The probability of passing maths is 0.8, and we've already worked out not passing maths is 0.2, so we write that on the not passing maths branch. The question says the probability of passing English is 0.6, so that goes on the branch for passing English, and there are 2 of those. Then we use the same method as part A, so if the probability of passing English is 0.6, then we subtract that from 1 to get 0.4. That's the probability of not passing English. And the final branch is also 0.4, the probability of not passing English. Moving on to part C, we want the probability that Dale will only pass one of the exams. So we use the tree to help us. We always start at the left-hand side, and we find ways through the tree where Dale will pass only one of the exams. So Dale could pass maths, but not pass English. That would be passing just one exam. We give that a tick. Alternatively, Dale might not pass the maths, but does pass the English. So that's another way of passing just one of the exams. So we tick that. So there's 2 routes through the tree. And the rule to find the probability when you move through a tree from left to right is to multiply the probabilities. So passing maths 0.8, not passing English 0.4. So the probability of them both happening, we multiply 0.8 by 0.4 and we get 0.32. We do the same now with the other route. So not passing maths is 0.2 and passing English is 0.6. So we multiply those, 0.2 multiplied by 0.6, and that gives us 0.12. We now have 2 probabilities at the end of the tree, and we need to combine them to get the overall probability of Dale passing only one of these exams. And the rule is, if you have probabilities at the end that you need to put together, you add them together. So the full answer to part C will be the 0.8 multiplied by 0.4, and then we're adding that to the 0.2 multiplied by the 0.6, and that's giving us 0.32 added to 0.12, and we arrive at a final answer of 0.44.